Although they were non-believers, disbelievers, but in spite of being disbelievers, they had an adab, a respect and honor of the greatness of the Prophet and Messenger of Almighty Allah. They had realization that we are not standing in front of someone who is a common man. We are not confronting a common person. This person whom we are going to confront or whom we are trying to defeat is a special messenger of Almighty Allah. In spite of being disbelievers, they had this sense in their minds and hearts. So this sense of his greatness brought them to Sayyidina Musa, and they were compelled, try to understand what I am saying, they were compelled to ask Sayyidina Musa, "Oh Musa, are you going to throw your things first, or should we start first?" They were compelled because the greatness and the respect and honor and adab of Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam was put in their minds and hearts. So they asked Sayyidina Musa his permission. Then Sayyidina Musa gave them permission, said, "No, rather you should throw first. You should throw." After getting permission of Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam, they started their magic. Afterwards they were defeated. So Almighty Allah knew that in the state of being disbelievers, they respected my messenger, and they asked him, gave him the chance. If he wanted to throw his things first, they asked for permission. So Almighty Allah wanted to reward them when they were defeated. So whether they were intending to fall down to prostrate or not, Allah knows better. But and as a reward, Allah compelled them to fall down in prostration. So Allah cast them to fall into prostration. So this was a reward. So whole world of the Pharaoh was watching the whole story, but none of them got this tawfiq to become believer except those magicians. So they said, that's what Allah said, فَأُلْقِيَ السَّحَرَةُ سُجَّدًا. They were not the magicians who prostrated to me. No, it was me who cast them and made them to prostrate, because I decided to reward them because they made another of my messenger. So when we translate it in passive or in active voice, that they fell into prostration, so the whole phenomena is gone out. It was their act. Allah said it was not their act. They were thrown into prostration.